Hi everyone, good morning. And this is me, Ruth, and this is my channel, Ruth Maha. You are highly welcome. If this is your first time of joining us, you are so welcome, and I'm happy to see you. And for all of my subscribers, all of you that have been watching my videos, following me up, following this channel, thank you so much. I'm so grateful for your consistency. Thank you so much. Um, if you're new here, I just want to give a little introduction. In this video, I post videos about, in this channel, I post videos about music. I post videos about anything I think that will be of help, that will help you spiritually and intellectually as well. So today we're going to be looking at the intellectual part, and that is my favorite subject, mathematics. All right, yes, that's my favorite subject. So we're going to be looking at a topic today, laws of indices. Yes, laws of indices. You know, we have 4 to 5 laws of indices, but today we're going to be looking at one of them, and then we're going to solve as much examples as possible. All right, so in order not to waste our time, because I don't intend to keep us here for long, I just want us to get it fast and make use of it and make life simple. All right, we're going to be looking at the first law. It's the product law. Yes, so we have here x to the power of a times x to the power of what? B. Yes, it's a very simple math, very simple. So what you just do, as long as you're given a question like this that has the same base, you just pick one of the base, and that's what we have here as our x. And then for the powers, you just add them up, and that is all. Like, the math is finished. It's not difficult at all. So let's solve as much as we can solve. Like here, you see examples. I had to carve out at least 8 examples, and let's enjoy ourselves. Okay. All right, so we have here solution. Solution number 1, we have this question: x raised to the power 7 times x. If you look at this question very well, this other one is not carrying a power, but it has a power. So if it's not carrying any power that you can see, as a mathematician, there is a 1 here. Yes, there's a 1 here. So we write it by saying x raised to the power 7 times x raised to the power 1. And then, like I told you, we're following our principle number 1. And since we have same base, we pick one of the base. And then what do? We add the power. That is 7 plus 1. And that will give us what? X to the power of what? 8. And that's all. Like, that is all. Very simple. So let's look at the second one over here. We have b to the power of 8 times b to the power of 7. Now this one doesn't have much work at all. So what we do, we just pick one of the common letter there, and then we add the powers, which is 8 plus 7. And that will give us what? B. What is 8 plus 7? That's 15. So b raised to the power what? 15. That's all. Very simple. The third one, we follow the same process. We have 5 x raised to the power 3 times 4 x raised to the power 7. Now what you do in this case, you're having numbers now, not just alphabet. So you just say 5 times 4 first, and that will give us what? 20. And then we have our x. Remember our rule again. So we pick one of the x, and what do? We add the powers. And we have n power 3 and power 7. So we say 3 plus 7. And that will give us what? 20 raised to the power what? 20x raised to the power 10. Simple, very simple. So we have the next question, which is number 4. 3c raised to the power 2 times 2c raised to the power 5. What do you do again? 3 times 2 will give us 6. And remember, pick one of the letters since they are both the same, and then add the power. The powers that we have there is 2 and 5. And then what do we have? 6. 6c raised to the power what? 7. That's all. Very simple. We look at the next one, which is number 5. Just like that. That's how it goes. Let's see how we can finish all of these questions. We have 5. 5y raised to the power 3 times 3y raised to the power 5. And then what do? We say 5 times 3. That will give us 15. And then we see our y, we pick one of it. And then what do we do with the power? We add the power, which is 3 plus 5. That will give us 15y raised to the power 8. As simple as that. We move to the next, which is number 6. We have 2e raised to the power 4 times 5e raised to the power 10. What do we do? Same thing. 2 times 5 gives us 10.